Spooky2 Central introductie. Krachtige plasma healing. Belangrijk kenmerk 1. Gebaseerd op Royal Rife's originele plasmabol. Spooky2 Central reproduceert het originele Rife concept. Met directe frequentietransmissie tot 3,5 MHz. Geen vaste carrier nodig. De buis bevat argon of helium, volledig veilige edelgassen die zorgen voor een zo schoon mogelijk signaal en een zuivere frequentieuitzending. Dit maakt Spooky2 Central de meest capabele, intuïtieve en krachtige Rife-machine in de Spooky2-familie. Belangrijk kenmerk 2. Krachtige 4-in-1 healing technologie. Naast de krachtige plasma-modus biedt Spooky2 Central ook ultrasonic, PEMF en contactmodi. Je kunt elke modus afzonderlijk laten werken of ze gelijktijdig activeren voor versterkte therapeutische effecten. Belangrijk kenmerk 3. Meer dan 60.000 gratis frequentieprogramma's. Met een Spooky2 generator. Spooky2 Central krijgt toegang tot de volledige frequentiedatabase van de Spooky2 software. Met meer dan 60.000 gratis programma's. Die alles bestrijken, van ontgifting, pijnverlichting en ontstekingsremming tot emotioneel evenwicht en energieondersteuning. Wat echte gebruikers zeggen. Hoe Spooky2 Central mij hielp om een beenoperatie te voorkomen.
I didn't believe that it could possibly do that, especially this flashing light. I mean, that's a plasma generator, and Ontworpen, I believe. It was Spooky Central. I dedicated a week of the plasma, and I put it right between my legs, and I'd set it on top of a box after a while. I'd set another box on there, raise it up some more, and run 2 hours a day for 7 days. And at the end of 7 days, I could not see a single vein. Now my legs, I can see some veins now, but the edema is gone. The fluid in my legs is gone. So yes, I have some veins that show, but my legs are healthier.
Beweging herwinnen na hersenletsel. Mijn Spooky2 Central verhaal.
We started weekly 1-hour treatments with the Spooky Plasma Central. At first for his epilepsy, so he would be able to stop his medication altogether. After 3 months, it improved so much that we moved on to various nerve restoration programs. That was when he first noticed in his yoga sessions that he could bend a lot better and move a lot better. And his improvement started to get noticed by others wondering what he was doing. When asked about the difference before and now, he points to the fact that he has more self-confidence, mentally and physically, has a better memory and can now raise his arm above his head, whereas before it was stuck to his chest. He can walk down the stairs normally, hold things with his left hand to help his right hand, and he turned into a quick walker.